Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can update your body in Berry Avenue into this thick body shape. So if you want to upgrade your avatar's body shapes in Berry Avenue, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to get that thick and stylish look step by step. So first you can just open the avatar menu, and then here you can tap on the menu and go to body. Click on this body options, and now let's remove the one that I'm using first. Okay, you can just click on a search column and find blush. Click on search and tap on the first one, and in here wear only the arms. Okay, now click on the search bar again and find Theoni platform. Hit on search and click on the first one again and choose only the torso. This one. Okay, last one, you can just find Latina doll, still on the body category. Select the first one and now choose the legs. Okay, let's close this, and now you can just tap on the clothing. Click on menu and go to clothing. Click on the pants and search for sweatpants. Okay, so in here you can see the sweatpants. You can just wear the one that you want. Let's remove the skirt first, and you can see you can see the body shape on the sweatpants. Here you can wear the color that you want. Okay, let's try another color. I'm going to go with black. So this is the result. Tap on done, and that's it. So guys, that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.